Hey, what's up? I'm Andrew Bacon. So in one of the houses we used to live in, I threw together this super easy clamp rack in my workshop, and I didn't think much of it, but after moving a couple times, I've thrown this on the wall super easy, and it's been way handy, as you can see here in my current shop. And so I want to take just a couple minutes and show you exactly how I did it on this episode of Field Treasure Designs. Okay, for this project, I'm using scrap 1x4 pine boards, and they could be any length you want. Then I took another piece of scrap and cut a little 45 angle to make a triangle. Here's what they look like. I cut two just in case I needed a backup. Next, I drilled pocket holes on the back side of one of my boards. Then I fastened them together using pocket hole screws. Next, I put some glue on, then I drilled pilot holes. One of the steps I also do is do a little bit of an extra hole with my drill head there for the screw head, then I fastened them in place. Next is mounting. I found a stud in the wall, and then I drilled it in with 2.5-inch deck screws. Then I made sure it was level, and then fastened the last screw, and we're good to go. So that's literally it. It's so easy to use. Obviously, you have to secure your clamps, which takes a little bit of time, but man, for something to throw on the wall and be able to use at all of my different shops, this thing is awesome. So I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.